Welcome my dear 7th class students. In Easy Learning channel, we learn subject maths. Many of students comment that the video I had makes it easy for you to learn maths. Thank you my dear students. You like and comments my video. We have started chapter number 14, Algebraic Formulae, Expansion of Squares. Today we learn part number 14.2, Algebraic Formula number 2. Given one activity in your book, page number 92. See this figure. This figure is square PQRS. PQRS. Observe this figure PQRS. In the figure alongside, the square with side A is divided into 4 rectangles. म्हणजे 4 भागात विभाजन केलेले आहे. In this figure, 2 squares and 2 rectangles. Here given measures side square 1, side A minus B, square 2, side B, rectangle 1, side A minus B into B, rectangle number 2, side B into A minus B. This is figures square and rectangle. Area of square PQRS is equal to side square is equal to A square. म्हणजे PQRS चे क्षेत्रफळ A वर्ग असे येते. See this figure PQRS side A. This is divided into 4 parts. First part measure is A minus B. First part. Second part measure B. Third part and fourth part. Let us see area of divided parts. Area of square first, area of rectangle second, area of rectangle third, and area of square fourth is equal to area of square PQRS. PQRS area is A square because that side is A. Area of square first is A minus B square. Rectangle area is A minus B into B, and area of rectangle third A minus B into B, and area of square fourth is equal to B square. Area of first side A minus B, rectangle second A minus B into B, rectangle third A minus B into B, and second and third part is rectangles, first and fourth part is squares. So, A minus B square plus divided by B to binomial, AB minus B square plus AB minus B square plus B square is equal to A square. A minus B square, AB and AB is like terms, so they add 2 terms. B square and B square is like terms, so add these 2 terms. To minus 2B square plus B square is equal to A square. A minus B square, 2AB, B square is like terms, so 2 minus 1 minus B square is equal to A square. A minus B square write down left side, and 2AB and B square taken as right side. A minus B square left side, and write down A square minus 2AB minus B square taken as left side, A square minus 2AB plus B square. This is formula of A minus B square is equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. The expanded form of the square of binomials. म्हणजे दोन द्विपदींचा विस्तार a minus b square a minus b into a minus b. This is two binomials multiplying by a and multiplying by b. A square a into a square minus a into b ab minus b into ab minus minus plus b square. A square minus minus like terms, so add these two terms. Minus 1 plus 1 2ab plus b square. This is expanded form of two terms. Subtract two terms. A minus b square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Algebraic formula number 2. Algebraic formula number 2. Square of binomial subtraction of two terms म्हणजे दोन द्विपदींचा वजाबाकीचा विस्तार. a minus b square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. First term, square of a first term, double the product of two terms, middle term, and third term is square of a second term. B is second term, square of second term. Observe some examples of expanded form म्हणजे विस्तार कराचे काही उदाहरणांचे निरीक्षण करा. फर्स्ट x minus y square expand x square minus 2xy plus y square. m minus n square, first term m square minus 2mn plus n square. Third, 2a minus 4b square, 2a square minus 2 into 2a into 4b plus 4a square, 4b square is equal to 2 square 4a square minus 2 into 2 into 4 16ab plus 16b square. This is expand form of subtraction terms. For 10p minus 8q, 10p square minus in bracket 2 into 10p minus into 8q plus 8q square. 10 square is 100, 100p square minus 10 8s are 80 into 2 160 pq plus 8 square 64 q square. 100p square minus 160 pq plus 64 q square. 5 a upon 5 minus b upon 6 square. A upon 5 square minus 2 into a upon 5 into b upon 6 plus b upon 6 square. A square upon 5 square 25 minus here 6 divided by 2, 6 divided by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. AB multiplying and denominator place 5 3s are 15. AB upon 15 plus b square upon 36. This is fractions. This binomials is fraction. So answer is a square upon 25 minus ab upon 15 plus b square upon 36. Fifth, m minus 4 upon m square. First term m square in bracket m square minus middle term 2 into m into 4 upon m complete bracket plus third term is 4 upon m square. We write use formula number 2, m square minus m and m divided by m, 2 4s are 8 plus 4 square 16 m square. Answer is m square minus 8 plus 16 upon m square. Sixth number 10 square minus in bracket 2 into 10 into 1 upon x plus 1 upon x square. 10 square 100. Here divided by 2 into 10 20 upon x plus 1 square 1 x square x square. Next, solve examples for homework. Question number 1. Write the expanded form of square of a binomials. Here I given 10 examples. First, 2x minus 4y square. Second, 6x minus 8 square. X minus 6 upon x square. Fourth, 1 minus 5 upon p square. Fifth, 3a minus 4b square. This example is not in your book. 6. 6m minus 5n square. 7. p minus 1 upon q square. 8. 8p minus 9q square. 9. mn minus 4pq square. 10. 6 minus 8 upon x square. Solve these 10 examples in your notebook. Children, today we have learned the algebraic formula number 2. Square of binomials of subtraction of two terms. म्हणजे आजच्या आपण या भागामध्ये फॉर्म्युला नंबर 2 शिकलेलो आहोत. द्विपदींच्या वजाबाकीचा वर्ग कसा करायचा त्याचे सूत्र आपण शिकलो. I think you have understood all these examples. You should practice them. मला आशा आहे की तुम्हाला ही सगळी उदाहरणे समजलेली असतील. Thanks my dear students. Stay home, stay safe and study regular. Thank you my children for like and nice comments for my maths video. So I am also very happy to make the video. Thanks.